Hello, in this video we will be adding TypeScript to the props we created in the previous video. The following are the sections for this video. First, we will implement static typing to functional component. Then we will be creating a model and use that model to implement static typing. Lastly, we'll discuss about the benefit of using TypeScript. If you want to follow along, which I recommend, you can download the code from this GitHub repository. The link will be provided in the video description below. In the previous video, we learned about props and how to use it. So now in this video, we will learn about adding TypeScript to these props. So basically, I cloned this props project. I created a new project using create the app using the TypeScript template. And then I just copied over the components here, and then I updated the app.js to use this membership list. So in TypeScript is TSX compared to JS. So basically we have the same code, but now this is not working because of the TypeScript. So we'll be looking on how to implement TypeScript in our application. Now let's look at the first error in this membership item. We now see here that the error says that binding element name implicitly has a type of any. Okay, so we need to identify what type of data is name and also the description. So first we will identify that this is a functional component. So first we will indicate here, this is a React.fc. This is a functional component which has an input of name and description, which is of type, the name is of type string, and the description is also of type string. And now you will see the error is gone because we now indicated what type these values are, the name and the description, and basically what this is. If you click on this, if you highlight on this, you will now see that this is a React FC with name and description as string. So this time, let's resolve the issue for the membership item B. Now the input is an object of membership. Okay, so to resolve this, we'll create a model that will represent this membership. So first, let's add a new folder, models. Then inside that folder, we'll add a new file, membership.ts TypeScript, and then we'll export this as a default interface called membership. And then inside that membership, we have the name, which is a string. We also have the description, which is also a type of string. You can now save this. Okay, we have now created the membership model. So let's go to this one. Now let's discuss about adding a model here. So to add a model, the process should be the same. So first we will indicate that this is a React that functional component, and it will have an input of membership, which is a type of membership. So luckily the auto import worked. So first we must import that model also. So now you can see the error is gone. We can proceed. Now there is another place that we use the membership, which is here in the membership list. So here we can indicate also the type. So this one. So first let's check if this works. So membership, we just indicate that this is a type of membership and it will do the auto import. Okay. So why did we write those extra lines of code? So the benefit of using TypeScript is to provide type safety and better intelligence. So let's compare codes without TypeScript with the one with TypeScript. If we delete this one of the parameter in the code without TypeScript, it will not have an error. But if you delete this one, the name, it will have an error. So it will say that property name is missing in type. So you just provided description, but it requires name and description. Okay, let's undo that. So it provides you with a type safety. By the way, you can still make the membership name optional. Just go to the membership item and then indicate question mark here. So if you delete, it still should work. Okay, undo. Another example of type safety is allowing only the certain data type to be keyed. For example, this one, diamond is a string. So in the JavaScript, we can put 3. It will have no error. But in the TypeScript, because it's dictated a string, if you put 3, then the error will show up. Okay, let's undo this. So another benefit of using TypeScript is the improved intelligence. So here on the right, we use TypeScript. On the left, we don't. So here, if we use name dot, so we have 6 items. But here, if we use name dot, so you have the functionalities for a string. Okay. So to summarize, we learned how to implement TypeScript with our props and also learn some of the benefits of static typing versus dynamic typing. That's all for this video. Please hit like to help me reach out to more people. Subscribe and click notification icon to get my latest update. Comment below for questions and topics you would like to be discussed. Thank you and good day.